Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together in an in-depth guide on how to gain early access to the cutting-edge design tool Leonardo AI. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you secure your early access and embark on a creative journey with this powerful AI-powered tool. To begin, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Leonardo AI website, Leonardo.ai. Once you have arrived at the website, your first step is to locate and click on the inviting Create Account button. However, before diving into the registration process, it is essential to understand that Leonardo AI offers early access exclusively to individuals who actively engage with their community. Neglecting this aspect may land you on a waitlist. So, let us ensure you secure immediate access to this game-changing tool. Complete the registration by entering your name and email address. Once done, click the Count Me In button. This step is crucial as it guarantees your position on the priority list for early access. The next critical step is to follow the instructions provided. These instructions will guide you to join Leonardo's vibrant Facebook group and their active Discord community. Once you have successfully become a member of these communities, make sure to note down your Facebook and Discord usernames. This will be required in the subsequent steps. Return to the registration form and fill in the fields for your Facebook and Discord usernames alongside your name and email. After meticulously completing the form, click the Submit button. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the necessary steps to secure a privileged spot on Leonardo's AI priority list for early access. Now, let us explore how you can access Leonardo AI once your early access has been granted. Monitor your Gmail inbox for an email from Leonardo AI. This email will contain essential instructions on how to access the platform. Open the email and eagerly click on the Launch Leonardo.ai link provided. You will now have the option to log in using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Choose the one that suits your convenience best. In this demonstration, we will select Google. To get started, you will be prompted to choose a unique username to your Leonardo AI account. Next, Leonardo AI will present you with a series of thought-provoking questions. Rest assured, there are no wrong answers here. Be truthful in your responses as this will enable Leonardo to customize its suggestions to your unique needs and preferences. With all the questions thoughtfully answered, you are now fully equipped to harness the extraordinary capabilities of Leonardo AI. From this point forward, you have the power to unleash your creativity and craft stunning images and design. And there you have it. You have successfully secured early access to Leonardo AI, a tool that promises to redefine your creative horizon. Enjoy exploring the vast possibilities offered by Leonardo AI and let your imagination soar to new heights. We encourage you to make the most of this incredible design tool, and we cannot wait to witness the remarkable creations you'll bring to life with Leonardo AI. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.